Let me tell you something. When you ignore a woman that likes you, they become obsessed real quick. They are waiting for your response. They need your response. Without it, it's almost like you're taking oxygen from them. And you ignore them for a while, and then all of a sudden you text back. It's just this big hit of dopamine. It's like it's massive. It rocks their world. We're talking about women that actually like you. Not just any woman, because some women don't care. But for the ones that do like you like that, that's how it be, bruh. And ignoring them on any given day, doesn't matter when it is, it drives them foolish. It's like they're waiting all day long for your response. And sadly, it's usually the women that like you way too much that you do not like back. Because both men and women, bro, we like a challenge. We don't like someone who necessarily plays too hard to get and acts kind of unlikable and stuff like that, but like, you need a bit of a challenge. You need to have the talking stage go on for some time where you're not feeling much thirst or that kind of a vibe on their end, and you don't have that either. That's perfect. Because when someone's too thirsty and they're trying too hard, you can sense it right through the cell phone, like their texts. They're trying so hard to send a text to get you to respond back, and you can kind of sense that. Rather, you just being yourself and you just fling a text out there and you could care less if they respond or not. That's perfect. Rather than overdoing it and over texting, over analyzing everything and trying to come off as someone like you're trying to get a response back from what you just sent. That is what you cannot do. Doesn't matter what girl you're talking to, bro, and even for the women, it doesn't matter what guy you're talking to. You gotta be chill. You can't be doing too much. You cannot act like you like this person before you even know the person. Like I've had countless women, bro, that the second I started talking to them, it's like they're trying way too hard. They're trying way too hard to be likable. They like me way too much. They start to express that, and it's like I'm turned right off. Turned right off. Like, it's almost cringe. They just come on with that energy, and you're just not there. You're not there. So when someone else is there, you're just like, you're not feeling the same way, and now it's kind of cringe. The desperation is there. Desperation is not sexy. Desperation is not attractive. A challenge is. And I think you guys would agree that the women who are more of a challenge are far more attractive. Not the ones that come straight out the gate, liking you way too much, way too quick. You're kind of just like, what the? Like, yeah. You can just sense how clingy that would be, how annoying that would be, and how you don't even like this person, bro. They like you way too much, and you don't even know who they are. And they might even be like all right looking, but like probably nothing too spectacular. Because women who are really hot, they don't ever act like that. It's usually the average looking girls, maybe a little above average in looks, but not the really hot ones, not like the nines and tens. Maybe the odd eight might act like that. It's usually the sevens, possibly an eight. You'll never catch a 9 or a 10 acting like that. They have so much abundance, bro. They're so desensitized to men themselves that nothing is that exciting to them. No guy is that spectacular to them. Like, it's just not like that. But yeah, like, when you're talking to women, man, you want a bit of a challenge. You don't want the games that last months and shit like that. You don't want girls who's purposely playing hard to get. It's not even that they have to play hard to get, man. It's just the energy. Like, some multiple hours can go by in the day, and you can just keep the conversation going. But it's just light. You can keep a conversation going. It's just light. It doesn't take much effort. You don't feel much of a sense of urgency from them. You don't have that energy yourself. That's where it's good. Yes, are both, you know, your value. She's attractive. You might be an attractive dude or something like that. And you just both aren't trying too hard. It just is what it is. When talking to somebody new, man, you want a bit of a challenge. You don't want the shit to just hit the fan immediately. Things got to take its time. You should be weighing out your options. She should be doing the same thing. And you shouldn't be concerned about that because the best option is going to win. And you should have the confidence in yourself to be the best option regardless. I understand that many women talk to many different dudes today, bro, and it's not even something I think about. If I'm ever talking to a girl, bro, I see myself as like the ruler over this woman. And if she's not going to give me that energy where I can like get her and she's into me, then we're not going to be talking. And I don't mean for her to give everything up and start acting clingy towards me and do that stuff too quick, but it's like you can kind of sense when a girl is into you or not. You got to be into each other. That's one thing, but not too much. That's what I'm trying to explain here. Like, you just got to simmer down and not jump too quick and have this instant attachment where it's just like, boom, like right out the gate. When women do this, man, these are women you're probably going to ignore, the ones that like you way too much. And when you ignore them, they become obsessed. But eventually, they're going to take the hint. Yeah, this guy's not into me. This guy don't want to talk. And then they'll disappear because they understand that you don't want them like that. There's many girls, bro, I just ghosted. Just ghost. There's nothing else for me to say. You can't really explain nothing to them because, bro, if you give them another message, they're just going to come back at you with something else. It's like, man, the only thing you can do is literally disappear here. I don't know what it is, man. I cannot tell a woman I'm not interested in you. I can't do that for their own sake. It's not me, it's them. I can't do it for their sake because that is going to kill them, bro. Women cannot handle that kind of shit. So I just kind of ghost. And they know anyways. You're obviously not into them. But I can't tell them that. I can't tell them that. I try to be as good as possible to women and not be a complete dickhead. I try to let them down easy. That's what I try to do. I don't try to come across like I'm ghosting them. I don't try to come across like I'm not interested in them. I just kind of try to just slowly exit and poof, just ghost. Just get the fuck out of there. Because there's nothing else I can say. I can't tell you I'm not interested because that's going to kill their confidence. Which I don't want to do that. Because I'm sure a lot of these girls, bro, can get away like a lot of other guys. So that doesn't matter, but I feel like I can't even like say anything else because you're just going to keep the conversation going with them and they're just going to get more obsessed. And it's hard, bro. Some women are hard to get rid of. Like hard, man. Real hard. And I don't know about you guys, but I have a type. And it's not like very specific, like a blonde with blue eyes, even though they make some pretty hot girls. But I could be with a brunette. I could be with a blonde. I don't really like women that have extremely like black hair. I'd probably prefer a blonde or brunette. There's lots of that. Most women have one of those hair colors, to be honest. I'd say a big percentage of women has either of those two hair colors. But I don't really care about eyes. Blue eyes are nice, but they could have brown, green, blue, doesn't really matter. Um, yeah, I find tons of women attractive, bro. Like I don't have a specific type, but they definitely gotta be my type. They gotta be my type looks wise, and they have to have the right energy. Because there were some hot girls I came across, bro, and started talking to before, and their energy was just off putting. Like, something's up with her, and it's nothing good. Just weird energy, and yeah, I don't know. So they gotta be your type looks wise, and they gotta have the right energy. It's really that simple. It's incredible how many of them today find a way to mess that up, and I don't understand. Women also complain about men and how men aren't this and men aren't that. And to be honest, I can see their point of view. I'm not a woman and I don't have their experience. But I know a lot of dudes and I can see where a lot of dudes are at. And yeah, I can see what they're talking about. But I think both genders are a little bit crooked, to be honest, man. A little bit messed up and just not enough work has been done with so many people. And I think we just need to keep developing ourselves, man, and just do the best we can. And I do believe, for the most part, women have a hard time doing this. Like, I've met some real hot women over the years, man. And even, like, at the age of 19, 20, 21, every age of my life, really. And what I've come to realize about women is there's usually always a deal breaker involved. Like, she might be hot, likable, good personality, got her life in order, but man, she clubs too much, parties too much, a little too much of a 304 and an attention seeker. And it's kind of out there like that and wants to live that kind of a life. So cross that out. There's just too many deal breakers when trying to date today, from what I've seen throughout my life. And that sucks because it seems like almost no women can get it right. But then, bro, you get the women that's like all about these long term relationships, and it's like they really want their partner and stuff, and they want to have children and a family and all this kind of stuff. But it's like, man, some of these women are way too obsessed with that way too quick, and it's just a little weird. Like, it's a little strange. And they're usually not the hotter girls you're gonna see, bro. In a perfect world, we could get one of these hotter girls, and they could have no deal breakers. It could be that easy. Unfortunately, God did not make it this easy. Unfortunately. There's certain things I like in a woman, bro, and it gotta be there. And if it's not, I will be single. I will be single. And I'm sure you guys all think and feel the same way. It's just that simple. Like, I'm not gonna date one of these girls that's just obsessed with this marriage and family and kids and stuff and all this stuff. Like, you can want those things, but to be obsessed with it and we don't even know each other, it's like, man, let's build that up and then want it together once we build that up. Let's get somewhere first. Let's not think about that stuff even right now. Not gonna date one of those girls. Not gonna date one of these smoking hot girls. That's way too much out there, and there's gotta be a balance. There's gotta be a balance, and there just does not seem to be that. It's just women are just extreme. They're either an extreme 304 or they're extremely way too much so into family and kids and all this stuff. Like, where's the balance? Where's the extremely hot girls that are just into fitness and stuff and taking care of themselves? And yeah, they want a family and kids one day and stuff, but they're not that obsessed with it. They're more into self development and kind of just, not being a 304, but she's kind of, putting herself in a position to get the right partner. Wouldn't that be nice? Almost no women's doing that today, bro. And some of them act like they are, but they're not. They're literally out there. They're doing too much. They're out there. They're not putting themselves in a position to find a good partner quite enough because they're too much out there. Dealing with too many dudes, being 304s. Instead of putting in more work, becoming more attractive, and really putting themselves in the position to land the best kind of guy. Women don't feel the need to do that, which is insane. Because, bro, like, we're all going to want a woman who takes herself seriously. If you don't take yourself seriously, how am I going to do that? How am I going to call you my girlfriend? How am I going to be with you one day, for real? You better show me something. You better show me, look, I am doing all the right things here, and I'm in a perfect position, and I'm good looking, and all this stuff. You better show me that. You better show me that, and you better show me you're freaking serious. And then we can talk, and then we can maybe get somewhere, and yeah, we're off to the races. Wouldn't that be nice? Women today, bro, are not doing this. They're not doing it. And I'm gonna need somebody who is doing that. And you gotta be hot. So yeah, I don't know. Shit is complicated today, and it's hard to get the job done. It's hard to get something going for real. So we will continue to be single until something like that happens, and it might never happen, and it might happen, and we'll just never know. That is pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep staying disciplined. Do what you're supposed to do. Challenge yourself. Eat good foods. Get your rest. I'll see you guys in the next video. God willing, God bless. We'll see y'all at the top.